So I want eggs, but I don't know exactly how I want them cooked. So just got a limited amount of eggs, like what, 12? Well, I say limited because this used to be 18, so I really need to like prepare myself. Let's try that. I got this for $6. Alright, so what shall we do first? See, I think I'm going to do my typical way. Kind of typical, not really, but not usually how I do it, but Alright, we have 4 spatulas to choose from. One of which is metal, so I don't. Oh, we have like 6 spatulas to choose from. They're just in different drawers. That's not a spatula, but I will use this actually. Alright, so I found this thingy. I didn't know we had one of these, but I guess it's there now. Okay, so this first method here is olive oil fried and basted. Yes, I am doing this video because I thought of it actually a long time ago, and I watched the 59 ways to cook an egg a long time ago. So this is from that video.
Olive oil fried and basted egg. We're gonna fry another egg, but this time we're gonna baste it, which means we're gonna spoon hot olive oil over the top of the egg while it cooks.
That was good. That was a good crack. Alright, now this is just heating up. Okay, I'm keeping my distance because this scares the frick out of me. I'm shaking it off. Oh my god. Great. That was good enough. I'm going to take it into liberty to use. Wow, this is actually, hold on. This is actually cooked pretty nicely. I'm not going to lie. That's pretty good for... So I would definitely not do that again. But, well, that's only for me. That's only my personal bias because I suck. I'm inclined to use butter.
Sweet and salted butter.
This is an American dish. We gotta cut our butter like bread. Okay, so we're supposed to wait till our butter comes to a foam, and I think it's already gotten there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this on there. So, I'm making one of my least favorite eggs. Overwhelmed. Actually, probably my least favorite. Apparently, I found out earlier today that over well and over hard are different. Apparently, over hard you're supposed to break the yolk, that's just. It looks. I'm gonna say it looks a lot different when it's cooked with butter. I kind of did it like I was supposed to. Not really. I should have kept it on there a little bit longer, but that's kind of how I was supposed to do it. I'm sorry if my hands are shaking. I'm just very, very afraid of this video. Bombs away. I hate it, but I have to eat all of it. Oh god. I think part of what's making it taste so weird is the butter. I hate it. 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 Oh, Look at that. Look at that. That's gross. That's gross. That's really gross. I hate it. Here we go. Okay, I'm not eating this one. Anyways, that was over well. Did not go over well with me. Time it. We're supposed to time it. And I was telling him, guy, get away from me. Like, freaking, he kept bothering me over nothing. And freaking, of course, that guy has the nerve to pull out a freaking, what was it, a revolver? Some sort of gun. Or maybe it was a bigger gun, I don't know, something like that. And then, guess what he does with the gun? You wouldn't believe it. Oh, timer's up. Smells just as awful as it looks, right? Now that's a boiled egg. Cooked like a 6.5 minute boiled egg. Looks like an 8-minute boiled egg. Tastes like a 6.5 minute boiled egg. This is probably the best one we've done since the first one. Pretty good. Honestly, I'm in zero mood to do anything else, but of course we shall do. I know, I'm just as confused as you are. This is the one method that I looked at and said I would never do that. Let's just pour that on there because we value our lives so little. Oh, now the tomato sauce is bubbling. That's so appetizing. I have so much crap here. But you know what? I'll give it this. It's not as messy as my waffle video. Oh, I got it. No, I didn't. Did I? Oh, God, I just got a freaking nice fat whiff of it. Oh, God, that just looks terrible. That looks like freaking... That's a menstruated egg. Blech. Yuck. Blech. Now I'm especially upset. Because I actually did make a really good egg, too. But the tomato sauce is just not... No. Why would you want to do this to yourself? Or to your eggs, or to your kitchen, or your pans, your pots, or... Don't do poached in tomato sauce. Because that is just a terrible mistake. Okay, I've actually found a pretty good size contender for cutting into this bread. Might not be messed up. We might have actually done this well. Okay. Hold on. This is the one I was most excited for, and I swear to God. If this is done correctly, this entire video for me will be redeemed. Because I have hated doing this video so far. Okay? This entire video is redeemed. You see that? Here, let me turn off the light so you can get the best view possible. Okay, look. Look at that. So what? It's a little crispy around the edges, okay? It's... I did it! I did something correctly. I'm very happy. This is great. This is so great. I'm so happy. I'm too happy. They're good. They're pretty good most of the time. But they're just such a pain in the tuchus to make. Especially if you're inexperienced. But obviously I'm not inexperienced. So, I've been doing all these. And I don't think, honestly, they weren't really enough. I'm gonna be honest. So, I've got this now. And if you can't see what that is, it's just, So, bombs away.
A brawl is surely brewing, and begin!